Hey, what's going on, guys? Y'all ready for some 2016 action now? Jeez, the years just keep fading by. D-bags. What up, Ken? What up, Roger? Not too much. You hear we just got Martellus Bennett, Roger? Need me some Carson Wentz? Yeah. Yeah, we just picked up Martellus Bennett from the Bears, tight end for either a fourth round draft pick or something. But yeah, we gave up a fourth round draft pick this year, and the Bears gave us also a sixth rounder along with Bennett as well. Hey, what's up, David? Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, I think that's a pretty good trade. We'll take it. Doing some painting. What kind of painting? Finger paints? Also, you see those two bot. Oh, okay, nice. Finishing the bedroom. Sweet, sweet. But you see, we got those two boxes underneath the Leaf Draft. Those are for the end of the month giveaway. Finally got the boxes for those. It's a 2014 Crown Royal and 2015 Crown Royal. 8 people will get into that at the end of the month. Ken, just act like you didn't hear that he needs help. Just ignore that part. Exactly, exactly. Okay, we'll get this started, guys, because most of this is going to happen off the live break here. So we'll get our hits ripped. And then once we're all done doing that, I'm going to take a picture of everything and post it into the comment thread there on the break thread. And then we'll do the order on random. And once we get that, we'll start picking our hits. Nice. Going to the National, Ken? Sweet. Nice. Yeah, it's going to be fun. Had a good time meeting some guys from RAE and the box break group at National in Chicago this past summer. That was pretty sweet. Yeah, Nationals are absolutely insane. Just don't bring too much money or you'll go completely broke. Just bring enough to have fun with. Yeah, I met Eric Gonzalez at the Chicago one from BTB. I met him there at the last show, National. But here we go, guys. We're going to get this ripping. We got 5 autos per box here. 2016 Leaf Metal Draft. And there's Tom Brady Redemption autos in this set as well. That'd be pretty amazing to get something like that. You got our 2016 guys in here. Admittedly, don't know all the best ones. I know all the top guys, but there's a ton of dudes. I have no idea who they are. We'll see what we can get. Everything's pre-sleeved and stuff in here. We'll get this set on top of the other boxes. There we go. Our first empty box. Okay, here we go. First box. Chris Brown. Chris Brown Leaf Metal Auto. South Carolina. Oh, born in South Carolina. Fighting Irish. Notre Dame. Receiver, 44 receptions, 562 yards, and 3 touchdowns in a season. as a senior. Yeah, Rihanna. I was gonna say that, but didn't want to. Okay, next one. Darunya Wilson. I wonder if he's a running back, is he? Wide receiver. Mississippi State Bulldogs. Just base autos, no numbering on any of these so far. Next. Kobe or Scooby Wright. Scoob Wright. Blue auto, so it's probably numbered. 16 out of 50. Linebacker. Wildcats. Wait. Yep, Arizona. Doobie doobie doo. Yeah, you just kind of have to make an educated guess, Roger. Once we get all the hits sorted out, we'll do the order, and then you just pick. It's up to you guys. I mean, haven't heard of any of these guys so far, so. Okay, next one. Jeff Driscoll. Armed and dangerous. Insert auto. No extra number on it. Yeah, educated guess. I mean, you guys can take a little time to figure it out. I don't know if you guys want to do like eBay searches and stuff, whatever. Whatever helps you make your decision. Jeff Driscoll. Next one, we got our State Pride Christian Hackenberg. Now, I've heard of that. Heard of that guy. But I don't know if he's like a big time State Pride, Virginia. He's from Virginia. This one's 10 out of 15. Yeah, Google is your friend as well. 184 out of 345 for 16 touchdowns, only 5 INTs. Projected second round pick in the 2016 draft. Okay, so there's box number 1. There's our first 5 autos. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, next box. Heard of him because I think he's okay. He's projected second round draft pick for QB. I guess that's not amazing, but who knows? You never know. So these boxes are pure speculation because they haven't even been drafted. I mean, just barely got out of college. Next set up here. Empty box. Okay, here we go. Shalik Calhoun. Standard auto. 7 sacks for the Michigan State Spartans. 1.5 in the Cotton Bowl against Baylor. Nice. Ashawn Robinson. Yeah, I'd imagine some of these guys will go undrafted. Ashawn Robinson, 13 out of 25. Pass rusher for Alabama. First rounder, it says. Need a 101? Yeah, this guy's a first rounder, potentially, it says. Ashawn Robinson out of 15. Next. Tajay Sharp. UMass receiver. 4-year career, 277 receptions, 3,400 yards, and 16 TDs. Taj Boyd? Yeah, Bosa, Wentz. Yeah, those are good names that you're saying there. Let's see here what we got. Oh man, I thought this was going to be a Brady, since it's a redemption, there's only a couple of redemptions, and most of them are Brady autos. Kenyon Drake, State Pride auto. Parallels may be awarded at time of fulfillment. Kenyon Drake. State Pride style auto on that one. Damn, I thought that was going to be a Brady auto for a second. And our last auto of this box, Connor Cook, award winner, 2 out of 10. Getting a lot of nice low numbered ones here. How many people I recognize the name of? So, okay, here we go. Last 5 autos. QB. Yeah, he looks like a QB. Michigan State Spartans QB. MVP in that game. Nice. 22 out of 35 and 2 TDs. 2 out of 10 auto. Doesn't say his projected draft stock at all. Let's see what we can grab. See someone that I know the name of. Carson Wentz, Jared Goff, Joey Bosa. Other guys. I was saying them to someone else the other day. I can't remember, or the other couple minutes ago. And Brady too. Brandon Doty. Next auto. Hilltoppers, whatever that team is. West Virginia? No. 11-2. Threw for 4,500 yards, 45 touchdowns, and just 7 picks in his senior year in 2015. Laquan Treadwell, yeah, that's another. Ikamdichi. Let's see what we got coming next. Marquez North. Receiver. 800 yards, 68 receptions in one season. Kimdichi. Trey Carson. 12 out of 15 autograph. Aggies. 408 carries, almost 2,000 yards, and 18 TDs in his senior year. It's pretty good. Oh, we got one of our big guys here. Definitely got one of our top names. Joey Bosa, State Pride auto. Supposedly the next J.J. Watt. 20 out of 25. State Pride auto. 47 tackles, 5 sacks, and interception in his junior year. Yeah, it's a nice, definitely the only one I know the name of. Who knows if it's the best one? Probably. Joey Bosa. And our very last autograph is Braxton Miller. I've heard of him, but isn't there something wrong with him or something happened? Miller, versatile wide receiver. Yeah, I know Braxton Miller. Did he get hurt? His stock is dropping. Yeah, something happened. That's still a good speculative auto for now. So I'll run it through everything we got real quick. Don't make any, well, you can make comments on the break thread right now, but once I start posting pictures, don't comment until I get it all posted. And then I'll post the order. do the random video for the order of the picking. So let's just run through our hits here. Bosa auto out of 25. Braxton Miller. Trey Carson. Marquez North. Brandon Doty. Connor Cook. Redemption Kenyon Drake. Tajay Sharp. Ashawn Robinson. Shalik Calhoun. Christian Hackenberg. State Pride out of 15. Jeff Driscoll. Scooby Wright. Derenier Wilson. Chris Brown. And I'm just going to post them in the order that we kind of pulled them there, how I just did it. So Chris Brown's going to be first up. Do some research, guys. Give you some time each time. I mean, don't take an hour to make your pick, but you'll have some time. Unless everyone's yelling at you to pick. But that's right. Yeah, I knew there's something. He'd got injured or something. Okay, so I'll post this up on... Let's see. Yeah, I'll get this uploaded. And while I'm doing that, I'll take the pictures of all the cards. And then I'll post that up. And then we'll do the random list. Alright, guys. See you in a few minutes and we'll get all this done. Thanks, guys, for joining in. Take it easy.